What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we are at the Hilton Grand Vacation Club Paradise in Las Vegas. We are in the Studio 2 Queen, and we're going to give you a room tour.
Let's see.
Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and start with the closet with the safe. Of course, you have your standard ironing board, hangers for your clothes. I'm going to go ahead and make my way to the bathroom. So in here, a single sink. You got your tissues, your toiletries by the lovely Crabtree, hand towels, bath towels, toilet. If you'll notice, the door and the toilet are extremely close, so we'll be careful with that. Nice sized bathtub, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Then we'll make our way on out here to the studio. You get a microwave, nice little coffee maker. You do get silverware and cups. Another little drawer up here has a water heater. We get a refrigerator, decent sized fridge for your drinks and snacks. And down here, trash can, paper towels, soap, and a sponge. We are going in here to the 2-bedroom. Nice 2 queens, 2 nightstands. Got a nice sized TV, plenty of drawer space. I'm loving this. And over here you have a little table with 2 chairs. Let's take a look at the view. Get a nice view of the West Gate. You get a peek of the MSG Sphere back there. And a nice view of the pool out here. This is super cute. So that wraps it up for this room tour. Let us know what you guys think, BBs. Bye.